Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work vitamin C serum. This powerful antioxidant is a fantastic addition to your daily skincare routine. It helps to brighten your complexion, even out skin tone, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. For optimal benefits, it is generally recommended to apply your vitamin C serum in the morning, allowing it to protect your skin throughout the day. To begin, ensure your face is freshly cleansed and toned. Next, dispense just 2 or 3 drops of the serum onto your fingertips. Remember, a little goes a long way with this concentrated product. Gently press the serum into your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully. Avoid rubbing vigorously. A light patting motion works best for even distribution. After applying your vitamin C serum, it is crucial to follow up with your regular moisturizer to lock in hydration. This step helps to create a protective barrier for your skin. During the daytime, always finish your routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least an SPF of 30. This protects your skin from harmful UV rays and maximizes the serum's benefits. To maintain its potency, store your vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. When starting, consider a serum with a 5 to 10% concentration to allow your skin to adjust. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying any new product to your entire face, ensuring no adverse reactions occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.